Welcome to the Daily Donald on YouTube, where we provide the most unbiased summary of the hottest Trump headlines. Today is January 8th, and we're taking a deep dive into Pam Bondi, Trump's pick for Attorney General. Who is she? Where did she come from? And why is she one of the most controversial figures in Trump's inner circle? Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Let's jump in. Let's start with her roots. Pam Bondi was born in Tampa, Florida in 1965 and graduated from the University of Florida with a law degree. Her career began as a prosecutor, where she earned a reputation for being tough on crime. In 2010, Bondi made history by becoming Florida's first female attorney general, a role that catapulted her into the national spotlight. Her tenure was marked by a mix of tough legal battles and growing connections with influential corporate and political figures. Bondi's relationship with Trump started long before her nomination as Attorney General. During her tenure in Florida, she became a vocal supporter of Trump's 2016 presidential campaign. This support earned her a speaking role at the Republican National Convention and later a spot on Trump's legal team during his first impeachment trial. Their connection grew stronger over the years. Trump reportedly admired Bondi's media savvy and her ability to navigate politically charged situations, a skill that solidified her place in his inner circle. After leaving her role as Florida's Attorney General in 2019, Bondi transitioned into lobbying, a move that would spark significant controversy. She joined Ballard Partners, a powerhouse lobbying firm with ties to Trump. Bondi represented high-profile clients like Uber, Amazon, and even Carnival Cruise Lines. Her lobbying work often intersected with federal regulations, raising eyebrows about potential conflicts of interest. One of the most notable cases was her lobbying on behalf of Carnival, which sought to avoid lawsuits over docking rights in Cuba. Despite her efforts, Trump's administration didn't side with the company, a rare instance where her influence fell short. Critics argue that Bondi's lobbying career and her close ties to corporate interests could compromise her ability to serve as Attorney General impartially. Watchdog groups have highlighted her involvement with companies under investigation or litigation, questioning whether she can truly prioritize justice over personal and political connections. On the flip side, her supporters, including Senator Marsha Blackburn, call her a fierce and determined advocate who will prioritize law and order. Trump's team insists that Bondi's experience makes her uniquely qualified to reform the Department of Justice and restore public trust. So, what can we expect if Bondi is confirmed? Her track record suggests a strong focus on deregulation, corporate partnerships, and high-profile prosecutions. She's likely to align closely with Trump's agenda, targeting issues like election integrity, immigration enforcement, and criminal justice reform. However, her past controversies could cast a shadow over her tenure. Will she recuse herself from cases involving former lobbying clients? And how will she handle the immense scrutiny that comes with the role? Bondi's nomination isn't just about her qualifications. It's a signal of Trump's broader strategy. Her appointment reflects his preference for loyalists who share his vision of shaking up Washington's status quo. But this approach comes with risks. If Bondi's past actions are perceived as too transactional, it could fuel criticism of cronyism within the administration. On the other hand, her allies argue that her business-friendly attitude could streamline government operations and attract private sector collaboration. As we wait for Bondi's confirmation hearings, the big question remains: will she rise above the controversies and prove her critics wrong, or will her past define her tenure? Her role as Attorney General will undoubtedly shape key legal battles and policies over the next 4 years. What do you think? Is Pam Bondi the right choice to lead the Department of Justice, or is this another polarizing appointment? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching the Daily Donald. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. See you tomorrow for the next big story.